Hello everyone. So today's video is about what documents are needed to apply for spouse TRP or for your child TRP application. So I will share my own experience, what documents we have submitted, and here you can see the overall list of those documents. I will talk about them one by one. And in this window, I have these application form already opened. So we will see these application form as well. In addition to that, I have also included these links in the description of this video, and these links already have information on what documents are needed, so you can have a look. So let's start with the spouse TRP application. So in my case, I was already in Estonia and I already had Estonian TRP. I already had my place of residence registered. So my wife submitted the TRP application. So the first form was this TRP application form. So your spouse can fill this form, and here I like to mention uh, the place of issue. So here, if you are writing Tallinn, that means your TRP will be issued in Tallinn. If you are writing here New Delhi, in that case, your TRP will be sent to New Delhi and your spouse can collect from there. So you can think about it like from where you want to collect your TRP. Now, considering the current situation where Estonia is not allowing visa application for touristic purpose. So if you're writing here Tallinn, in that case, your spouse has to travel to Tallinn in order to collect it. And for that, she needs visa. And if Estonian embassy is not taking visa application, then it will be a bit difficult. Though, in case if you have submitted your application, if you want to change this place of issue after submitting the application, there is an option. You have to pay, I think, 30 euro per application to change this place of issue. Now, one more thing I like to add here. So, if you are thinking of collecting your spouse TRP on your own, so what you can do, what your spouse can do when he or she submitting the application form, uh, an additional kind of authority form where which can state that the TRP will be collected by my husband or my wife. So in our case, actually, I didn't know about it, and I thought that I would be able to collect my spouse TRP. So I wrote here Tallinn, and later I came to know that I cannot collect my spouse TRP on her behalf, and then I have to uh, send a request to change this place of issue. So if you want to collect, just ask your spouse to write on a paper that my husband or my wife will collect my TRP on my behalf and with the signature. And in this regard, you can also ask for some information from the embassy. Now, next form is family members form. So here, your spouse can fill the details of her or his family members. And the third form is invitation form. So here, your details will be filled, and you have to sign in this form. Next to these forms, I also bought a health insurance. Now, instead of buying a health insurance for my wife and my son separately, I bought a family insurance, and it was from HDFC, and the price was around 6,000. So a single health insurance can cover your spouse and child both. Then we also submitted a flight ticket. Though when I was checking the list of documents for spouse TRP, I didn't find any mentioning of flight tickets. So I'm not sure whether you can submit a TRP application without flight ticket. But in our case, we submitted flight tickets as well, and then a photocopy of my spouse passport. So front page and last page. And then you need your spouse photo. As you can see in the TRP application form, there is a place to paste the photo. So when you go for a photography studio, tell the person all those rules and regulation which are listed on the Estonian Police and Border Guard website, the rules related to the photos. And this is like a very essential part. In our case, we actually submitted the application, and then after 2 months, we got an email that there was some problem with the photo, and we were not sure whether the problem with the photo means the photo were not according to the rules, or the photo were missing from the application, because the mail has also mentioning of missing photographs. So in such cases, whenever you are going to the photography studio, tell them all the rules, the size of photographs you need, and if possible, ask for the soft copy as well. So if there is an issue uh, after the TRP application submission, you can send this photo on email. And then you need to pay the fee, and you can take the receipt of bank transfer when your spouse is going for the application. Now I'm uh, coming to the child TRP application. So in child TRP, the application, some of the application form are same. For instance, TRP application form, family member application form. Now here, instead of spouse invitation form, you have a parent invitation form. So you have to fill this form, or your spouse can fill this form, but this form has to be signed by you. And then for this TRP application, we also submitted insurance, flight ticket. Now here we have also submitted the birth certificate of my child, and this birth certificate was issued in a Indian government hospital, and the format of the certificate, actually the certificate was not in English. So what I did, I went for a certified English translation, and I also got it apostille. So if you are submitting any certificate which are issued in India, you have to get it apostille, and for this I used an online service in India, and that was pretty good. I will make another video on that. uh, and the next, the photocopy of passport, a photograph, digital photograph, and then TRP application fee. Now, apart from these documents, we have also submitted these. So the first very important one, your Estonian TRP document photocopy, front and back both. And we also submitted apostille marriage certificate. I also sent my Estonian bank statement to my spouse, and she submitted that as well. I was also working as a part time, so I also sent this work contract, and my spouse also submitted this contract. And I was renting an apartment, and for that apartment, I was having a accommodation contract. I also sent that to my spouse, and she also submitted that. So I think I have covered all the documents. In case if you have any question related to this process, feel free to write to me. I will try to answer as fast as possible. Thank you very much for watching.